Yeah, ready.
Good morning. Good morning, Simple Life family. This morning, I'm back at you with another video. A simple, raw, vegan recipe. Today we will be making milk. So much of the dairy, people are allergic to dairy so much today, and I just want to show you that there are so many alternatives that you can go, so you do not have to buy the dairy. I mean, the cow's milk belongs to the cows, right? To the baby cows. It does not belongs to us. As I hear someone said the other day, how would you feel if we were to bottle our milk and sell it in the stores? So let us do the best we can with what we have here, which is good, healthy, clean, GMO free, good for our bodies. So today we're going to be making almond milk. So my almond was soaked. I took the skins off and I soaked them. I dehydrated them to hydrate them so that they can get dry again. I keep them in the fridge. So anyways, I'm going to be using 4 cups of water, but I'm starting out with 2 cups of water to make the almond blend properly. So, okay, so 1 cup. I'll be doing 2 milks today, so I'm trying to go fast so that we can get it done. So, okay, it's plugged in, so turn it on. Yep. Okay, as that's blended, I'm going to add the other 2 cups of water because we're doing 4 cups totally. Okay. What I do now is, with this, there's 2 things that you can do. You can go ahead and strain this. If you have a cheesecloth, go ahead and use it. But I like my cotton cloths because they take everything out, give me a nice smooth milk. I'm okay with this. But if you want to use this milk to use in, say, a macaroni and cheese or a dish, just leave it this way. And if you want to make it sweet, just go ahead and just put, I'm having here 4 dates, and I have some organic vanilla. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla there, and I'm going to put about half teaspoon of the Himalayan pink salt, and I'm going to blend that up. This is the organic pity dates. I got this from Costco. These ones are small. That's why I ended up using 4 of them. Anyways, let's move on. So I have the salt, the vanilla in here, and just going to blend this. That's done. Let me just, I washed my hands earlier, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and strain this. Put it here, and I just pour it in my cloth here to get everything out. Oh, the goodness. This milk is so good, especially the way I do it here with the vanilla. So the kids can put it in their cereals. This way you can just put it in the fridge and just make it cold. Oops. And drink it. You could also just leave this to drip, you know, to make the milk go down while you do other things. But because I have to, when you want to get going, of course, you help it along. Believe me, you won't be missing out on dairy when you have this. And if you want it to have a richer milk, just put less water. Put about 3 cups of water instead of 4. Okay. And this, I don't even take all the milk out because I dehydrate this and I put some oregano in it and some flaxseed, and I make croutons. So nothing is wasted. So I'm just gonna put this aside for now. Okay. And I'm going to pour this in my milk. My nice, see, nice creamy milk, delicious. And because I take the skins off, it makes it look like, give it the white color. So leave that here for now. And let's go on with the show. So I have my other trusted friend here. So, okay. So let me go on and, okay. So now we are going to make oat milk. There's a difference in making oat milk because you don't want to make the oat milk with regular water, because if you make the water too, you don't want it to become a porridge. So I'll tell you what I do. So I put my water from my milk in the fridge and make it cold. And I put about half. I put my 1 cup of the broad oats, organic, in the fridge too and make it cold. I'm just gonna go ahead and use back my same, let me just rinse it up a bit and just blend this up a bit. Okay, now that's all blended and it looks like milk, and the water is not warm and it's not icy, so it's not going to be a smoothie and it's not going to be a porridge. So that's the trick to making the oat milk. The water has to be icy. Sometimes I even put this container in the freezer to get it cold too. Family, it's done, and we have oat milk. Okay, so for all those who cannot have almond milk, you can have oat milk. So I am not going to put any sweetener in this one because you already get the point of how to sweeten it. If you want to. So that one, when the kids want to have just milk, sweet milk, they can drink that, and this one they will use for their cereal. So you just go ahead and do the same. See, it's coming up. Listen, oat milk is so expensive in the store, so you don't want to go and buy that. Not when you have your oats at home. You just go ahead and make your own. Everything that you want in the store, almost everything you can make yourself. So easier, so simple, so healthy, so vegan, so plant-based. You just need time. God is so good to us, you know. God has provided all these things for our health. We have to thank Him, really. And thank Him for strength to even do this too. So, like I said, I'm not going to. This would probably be easier in the cheesecloth. I may have to try that. If you have the cheesecloth, try it. And then try this and let me know which way is easier. Remember to share this video with anyone that you know. This video could benefit all of your friends, so share it with them. How to make oat milk. I went in the store the other day and I said, wow, I didn't know they start selling oat milk now. But it's when I looked at the price, I said, no, I will go home and I will make this myself. So this is it. This one takes a little longer to come out than the almond milk, than the almond trash, because this one is the oats is grinded up more than the almond. So I'm just gonna show you now what it looks like. Hold on. Or I could use the same jar that had the water because it's still cold. Look at this, look at this, look at this, family. Nice, healthy oat milk. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't God good? And I'm just gonna leave this now. Look, there's still more nice oat milk. There's still more to come, but I just wanna come on here and show you how easy it is to make your almond milk and to make your oat milk. I pray that this was a blessing to you. I pray that you will continue to live a simple, healthy life. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to my video if you haven't already done so. If you have, thank you. God bless.